Hello, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com doing a special video for Susan. Hello Susan, I'm going to show you an up-close look at the SPC 114 Jurassic. This is one of the colors you're interested in. The main difference on this product is that it's going to be 4-foot length planks. The other two, the Tennessee River Hickory and the Solitude, are going to be 5-foot length on the planks. All three are 7 inches wide. So here's just a kind of an overview of a section I have on display, and it does have a lot of colors, really no distinct character lines indicating it's an oak or a pine, just pretty much nondescript with a highly distressed coloration. Beautiful floor, we've been selling a lot of it. And it's got everything, blues, reds, tans, golds, grays, and white. Maybe get a close-up of some of this. Just really cool looking floor, that's for sure. And I'm gonna stand back, you can see it, it's on our display. This is pretty much what comes out of a box. This is about a 30 square foot area. Okay, so I'm gonna pan over to the floor and go over to where the Solitude is on display. The Solitude is this one in the center here. I'm gonna focus on it. Overall medium to darker browns, some tan, and it even does have some gray in there as well if you're trying to touch upon the gray color. So I'm just going to kind of scoot along and show that to you. Alright, and I did get a couple of pieces of Jurassic to kind of put right next to it. That was the display I just showed you previously. Has a lot of similar tones to the Solitude. Now I don't have a section out of the Tennessee River Hickory. I'm actually having it replaced. But I did pull out a couple of planks to show you the main difference. Tennessee River Hickory is the same design pattern as Solitude. It's just it's a lighter color palette. So for example, focusing on this plank right here, Tennessee River Hickory, that same plank is shown right here. See that character streak? I'm focusing on the black line. I'm going to go back to the Tennessee River Hickory. So you see that color difference? That's a good indication of how you can tell that difference for the color palette. I have another piece I can do a comparison with, and it's this big character knot. Kind of stands out to me in some of the design. And looking at that one in Tennessee River Hickory, I can compare that to the Solitude, the same character mark. So there's Solitude, and then here's Tennessee River Hickory. Okay, well I hope this video helps you decide, and let me know if you have any other questions. I'm going to send you an email, let you know I made the video, and I'll be uploading it in a few hours. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.